Pause, if I may. Ms. Waldrop, what area are we looking at of the Claremont?
This is the front entrance, the right when you come in. So, yeah.
Okay. And how many entrances are there to the apartment complex?
6.
6. Okay. Ms. Gilman, if you could press play. Thank you. Ms. Gilman, could you pause? All right. Now, Ms. Waldrop, I have some questions about your videos in and of themselves.
Yes.
The date on the video, what is the date in the top left-hand corner?
January 3rd, 2023.
And the time, what does it denote the time?
It's 4:33 p.m.
Now, in January 2023, were there any issues as far as the time on your videos being different from the real time?
Yes, I believe at the time it was, I don't know for sure, but I believe it was about 20 minutes difference. And sometimes it does that. It jumps and then I don't notice it till I actually have to pull up video for some reason. And then I'm like, okay, then I see it in real time that it's wrong.
Okay, so there are times when the time on your video is not the correct time.
That is correct.
Okay. Now, as a result of working at the Claremont, are you familiar with the vehicles of your residents?
Yes.
And how many of your residents had Volvo's XC90s at the time?
None to my knowledge.
Miss Gilman, if you could press play, please. Pause. Ms. Waldrop, did you recognize this vehicle as being one of your residents?
No.
And if you could press play, Ms. Gilman. On this same video, Ms. Gilman, could you bring us to 13 minutes and 59 seconds? Ms. Gilman, I'm going to ask now if you could bring us to the next video from Claremont, which I believe is titled Claremont. Thank you. Ms. Waldrop, if you could just pause it at this point in time. Ms. Waldrop, where are we looking at the Claremont apartment complexes in this second video?
So this is right when you come to the back, this is actually at the bottom of the hill or of the backside where the two dumpsters are located in that fenced area right there.
In that fenced area. And you said they're gated. Is there a lock to them or anything like that?
No.
And what access do you give the general public to your dumpsters? It's people who don't live there. Can they use them?
No, they're not supposed to. No. And there's signs that, it's private property and they are on the surveillance. I mean, it's on surveillance. So they're not meant to use our dumpsters. No.
Could you press play this, Gilman? Thank you, Ms. Gillen. And finally, how many ways are there in and out of the property?
One. There is really one. So there used to be, there's a smaller little, almost like a narrow walkway now that people used to use. Sometimes they weren't supposed to because you can't actually have a vehicle. It's not the width of a vehicle. So technically, could you take another way? Yes, but there's only one driveway. Yes, one entrance, front entrance. Sorry about that.
I think that my earlier question was probably an article. When I asked you how many ways are there into the property, and you said 6, you talking about the
Oh, entrances. I thought you meant entrances as in the doors. We have 6. I'm so sorry. We have one way to get into the complex, one driveway to get in, 6 exits or entrance doors, and there is a little pathway coming from Chestnut. Yes, but it's not a driveway. It's not, but if somebody, I've seen it before when there was a road blocked and then people would just, but it's not meant to be used. So my apologies.
No, you don't have to apologize. I didn't ask the right question. You fixed it, so thank you. My question was how many ways are there into the property, I guess, from the street?
One.
One. Okay. And then there's this path area that sometimes people should use, but they could use.
Rarely now. I haven't seen it actually in years, but there was a time, and then, yeah, it stopped.
And that pathway would lead Chestnut Glen?
Yes, and into their parking lot.
Got it.
Yes.
And as far as how to get in and out of the buildings, there's 6.
Correct.
Nothing further. Thank you very much.
Cross?